Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another video here. Today I have just like a little bonus video for you, something just quick and fun. I recently got added to Orly's PR list, which is really super exciting. And look at this huge box that showed up at my door. They gave me the opportunity to go through their website and pick just a bunch of polishes for a gifting opportunity. So basically they were like, pick what you want to give to your friends, your family, whoever, and I'm going to show you what I picked out and let you know who I want to give those polishes to and why. So if you want to see a pretty decently sized Orly haul, keep watching because I'm going to show you everything that I got. Oh, and one more thing I did want to add before we hop into the unboxing is their Black Friday sale at the time of filming this is live. If you use the code BF2022, I believe, I'm going to pop it up on the screen, but you'll get 40% off your whole order. Everything on the website is eligible except for the Lisa Frank polishes. So if you want to shop, now is the time because that is a really good discount. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've got quite a few boxes here. I think all of them are full except this one. So let's start with that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take everything out of the box, and most of these are gifts for other people. A couple are a gift to myself, but we'll address that when we get there. But yeah, let's just pop in and I'll tell you who is getting what. Oh, okay, so this, I bet this is the other one. Yep, so this one, I started with the right box because these are my gift to me. Orly released these two new, I believe they're limited edition toppers. This one is called Light It Up, and it is like a blue and white, like a super metallic light blue hex glitter, and then these little like flecked white glitters that look a lot like snow. And then we have Deck the Halls, and kind of similarly festive, it's red and green hex glitters with a smattering of gold. These are like for Hanukkah and Christmas, which I thought was really cool. I like Orly's special edition toppers to begin with, but I feel like it's becoming more common, but it is so rare to see any brands do anything for Hanukkah. Usually it's a focus on solely Christmas for this time of year. So I was excited about that, and I love the gold glitter running through this. It's really nice, and I like that this one looks like it has snow going through it. So these are to Hillary from Hillary. All right, so what else do we have? I don't remember like everything. I was really tempted to just get like 15 bottles of Elysian Fields and force it on everyone I know, but I didn't do that. Oh, okay. This one is Metamorphosis. If you guys have followed my Orly Color Pass unboxings, you'll know this one came out in the fall 2022 Surrealist collection, and this one is so good. It's like a teal with this pinky bronzy shimmer running through it. I have nothing like it in my collection, and I got this for my friend who, she just had a baby and she hasn't been able to paint her nails in forever, so I'm hoping that she can get back into it. And so I did pick out a couple shades for her, and this was one that specifically I knew she wanted. Next, I have a couple breathable shades, and these I picked up for a coworker of mine who is Muslim, so she can not wear like typical nail polish, but she can wear the breathable line because it is halal. And I just picked a couple colors that I've seen her not wear on her nails, but just in general, like in her clothing and stuff like that. And so this one here is Do a Barrel Roll, and this came out in, I think, one of last year's breathable collections, or maybe it was earlier in the year, but it is like a perfect jewel toned green. And then this one is called You Had Me at Hydrangea, and it's this kind of cornflower blue with a beautiful shimmer running through it. I really hope she likes these. Oh, and we did have one more breathable. I guess I picked her up 3. It hasn't even been that long since I picked these out, and I've just totally blanked. This one is called Freudian Flip, and it is like a bluey green kind of duo or multi-chrome, and it looks like it's kind of a little bit flaky. So I've got 3 breathable shades. I think these are all really pretty. I really like the breathable line. Then we have this one. It is called Beautifully Bizarre. This is one of my favorite Orlys of all time. It is a pink with this bluey green shimmer running through it. And I got this for my friend Fanatic here, aka Stephanie, or is it the other way around? Are you supposed to say their real name first and then their nickname? I don't know, but I know that she talked about every time she goes on the Orly website, this polish is sold out and she really wants it. And when I was browsing, this was in stock and I messaged her and I was like, girl, don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't worry about it. Don't buy it. So this one is going over to Stephanie. Next, I have another Orly breathable. I got a few for other people as well, not just my coworker. And this one, it reminded me of the March birthstone. And I have a friend who was born in March, and it's called Surfs You Right. It is a kind of super shimmery, maybe a little bit metallic light blue. And so I picked this up for her. I'm just going to kind of tack it onto her Christmas gift because, I don't know, I just feel like these are nice little Christmas gift add-ons. So these two are fully not going to pick up right on camera because they are such vibrant neons. They're going to look washed out. I'm serious. Look up swatches of these guys because they are insane. This one, it's a yellow. It's called Glow Stick. It literally looks like you drained a highlighter. This one is called So Fly, and it's like a perfect slimy green. And these are for my boyfriend's mom. She dresses pretty young. Like, I don't know, like, I don't mean that in like a, like, detrimental sense. Like, she just dresses really youthful and she really likes to wear like very simple and crisp clothes, but her nails are always like bright pops of crazy colors. And so I know she goes to the salon, but I thought that maybe she could take these with her and have them paint her nails or something like that. I think she'll really like them. And if she doesn't, she wouldn't tell me. So perfect. This one is called Hannah's Floresta, and this one is like kind of a greeny teal. It's a little bit separated. I gotta shake it up, but you can see the green base and then like the teal glittery shimmer running through it. This is for someone who used to be a coworker of mine, and she's actually, it turns out, my neighbor who lives like literally a block away from me. We didn't know it until like the last month we were working together, and then she took an early retirement. But she and her husband always invite me and my boyfriend over to play cards, and they make us food, and they're just like super nice. And I got them like a full-on tea kettle and stuff because the last time we were there, we were talking about tea and how to make it properly, and I was trying to teach them. So I got them like a big tea kettle and like a bunch of teas for Christmas. But she also does her own nails, and she tends to, I think, not have too many nail polishes. So I thought I would get her a fun one just to mix it up. And I thought that this was a fun color. And she seems to really like green a lot. She has plants everywhere in her house. So I thought this would be perfect. Now, the last three I picked up with no one in particular in mind. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I like to have gifts on hand, and just like some generic kind of easy to give gifts just in case like I need something. So like I might keep unburnt candles from Bath and Body Works or something. I like to have that. And so these are going to go in my TBD gift pile. And the first one is the Orly Glow in the Dark top coat. It's called Glow For It. I have one of these that is green, but this one glows blue. And I've never seen another brand, or I've seen a couple indie brands do some blue glow polishes, but it's not as common as the green glow. So I thought that would be a cool one to give someone. Then we have another Orly breathable shade, and this one is called Faux Fur, and it is a grungy kind of Christmas tree green, very shiny, very pretty, and I just thought, I love gross green polishes, so if I meet somebody else who has like a love for them, I feel like this would be a great one to give as a gift. And then this is called Eggplant, and it's a perfect name for the color. It is a really rich jewelly purple, and it's a collaboration with he's a chef, I guess, Kwame Onwuachi. I am not sure who he is. I did look him up, and he was a contestant on the show Top Chef, but he did a trio with Orly, and this was one of them, and this was my favorite of the trio, and I just thought it's a really pretty purple, so I thought that would be an easy one to find someone for as well. So yeah, here's my little Orly gifting haul. Thank you so much again to Orly for sending me this PR. I really do appreciate it. And I'm really excited to be on their PR list so that I can hopefully bring you guys more of their new launches and things like that. This is going to be a lot of fun to maybe not wrap up. I feel like wrapping them will be kind of weird. So maybe I'll put like little bows on the necks of the bottle and then stick them to each person's other gifts that I've already gotten them. These are perfect little just add-on, tack-on gifts, I swear. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of my little gift haul, and let me know if you were to pick any polish off of Orly's website to be gifted, what would you choose? I love to know what people's favorites are, and I feel like there are the staples that everybody loves, like Elysian Fields, or maybe that's just me. And I feel like these two in particular are definitely fan favorites, but I feel like a lot of the other ones I picked are also really, really beautiful. So I'd love to know what your guys' favorite Orly shade is. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!